Drought, a silent crisis. In the contemporary world, where the spectre of climate change looms large, the phenomenon of drought has emerged as a silent yet profound crisis. This video aims to delve into the multifaceted nature of drought, its ramifications, and the measures necessary to mitigate its impacts. Drought, at its core, is a prolonged period of deficient precipitation resulting in water shortage. Its subtlety lies in its gradual onset, unlike other natural disasters like earthquakes or hurricanes, which strike with immediacy and visible ferocity. This characteristic of drought renders it a creeping calamity that often escapes immediate attention, yet has far-reaching consequences. The genesis of drought can be attributed to a confluence of climatic and human-induced factors. Climatically, changes in atmospheric circulation patterns, such as the El Niño and La Niña phenomena, significantly influence rainfall patterns. Human activities, notably deforestation and greenhouse gas emissions, exacerbate these natural climatic variances, leading to more frequent and severe droughts. Drought's impacts are manifold and devastating. Agriculturally, it decimates crops, leading to food shortages and soaring food prices. This has a cascading effect on food security, particularly in regions heavily reliant on rain-fed agriculture. Economically, the cost of drought is monumental, not only in terms of lost agricultural output, but also in the strain it places on water resources, energy production, and industrial processes. The environmental consequences are equally dire. Drought leads to the degradation of land, loss of biodiversity, and the disruption of ecosystems. Water bodies shrink, affecting aquatic life and leading to a decline in water quality. The desiccation of soil contributes to another perilous phenomenon, desertification, which further compounds the environmental degradation. The human cost of drought is perhaps the most poignant. It is a harbinger of hunger, malnutrition, and disease. Rural communities whose livelihoods are inextricably linked to the land are particularly vulnerable. The scarcity of water leads to hygiene issues, exacerbating health problems. Furthermore, drought often triggers rural to urban migration as people seek to escape the clutches of an unyielding environment. This migration, in turn, places additional pressures on urban areas, often leading to socio-economic tensions. The societal impacts extend beyond the immediate areas afflicted by drought. The global interconnectedness of today's world means that a drought in one region can have ripple effects across the globe, affecting commodity markets and global food supply chains. This interdependence underscores the need for a coordinated global response to drought. Mitigating the impact of drought requires a multifaceted approach. At the forefront is the need for improved water management. This includes the development of drought-resistant crop varieties, efficient irrigation techniques, and the promotion of water conservation practices. Rainwater harvesting and the reuse of grey water can also play a significant role in augmenting water availability. Predictive modelling and early warning systems are vital for proactive drought management. Technological advancements in satellite imagery and data analysis have enhanced our ability to monitor climatic patterns and predict droughts with greater accuracy. Such systems enable governments and communities to implement contingency plans well in advance. Another critical aspect is the restoration and protection of ecosystems. Practices such as reforestation, soil conservation, and the preservation of wetlands can enhance the resilience of the environment to drought. These measures not only help in mitigating the impact of drought, but also contribute to the broader fight against climate change. Public awareness and education are crucial in cultivating a culture of sustainability and resilience. People need to be made aware of the causes and effects of drought and how their actions can either mitigate or exacerbate the situation. Community-based initiatives that involve local populations in decision-making processes, can foster a sense of ownership and responsibility towards local resources. International cooperation is imperative in addressing the challenge of drought. Climate change and environmental degradation know no borders, making it essential for nations to work together. Sharing knowledge, technology, and resources can significantly enhance the global capacity to manage drought. In conclusion, drought is a complex and multifaceted issue that requires a comprehensive and coordinated response. It is a crisis that silently undermines the foundations of societies, economies, and ecosystems. Addressing it effectively necessitates a combination of advanced technology, sustainable practices, public awareness, and international cooperation. As the world grapples with the myriad challenges posed by climate change, the management of drought stands as a critical test of our collective resolve and ingenuity. The actions we take today will determine the resilience of our planet and the well-being of future generations in the face of this silent yet formidable adversary.